With the current situation of the economy, a lot of people are looking for ways to invest their money. And what is happening worldwide with the economy. So different people are looking for safe ways that they can invest their money and help them make more money. And if you're one of those people, you have come to the right place. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gloria Anthony. Please do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, okay, and share this video, please. Thank you very, very much. We'll be talking about investment today and how you can dive into investing. One thing that is very, very important before you begin your investment journey is understanding investment itself, having proper knowledge about how these things goes, so that you will not fall into the hands of scammers. A lot of people are out there ready to devour your money if you do not have proper knowledge of what is happening in the market. So please enjoy the video. So what is investment? Investment is the committing of resources into an endeavor or thing with expectation of positive returns, although it doesn't always go the way we plan, because there are times we lose some and we gain some. But as a good investor, you should be gaining more than how you are losing. Do you understand? So we put our money into something for the money to help us make more money. So when you are working on that thing, it is no longer an investment. It is an investment when it is your money that is doing the work. But if you're the one putting in the effort, because I noticed that a lot of people mistake trading for investing. You are actually in the market monitoring, watching. That's not invested. That's not investment. That's not investing. Investing is if you just put your money into something and your money is what is doing all the work for you while you are out there doing something else. So the money we make from investment is passive income, because you're not actively doing anything to make that money. Do you understand? So why do we invest in the first place? We invest, number one, to protect the purchasing power of our money. Now, whether we like it or not, inflation is something that always happens in the economy. We cannot control inflation from happening. We cannot stop it from happening. It happens. Sometimes it happens very, very fast. Like currently, in the current economy of Nigeria, our inflation rate is so high. It is happening so fast that something you bought yesterday, you can go there today and the price has changed. Why? Because of the inflation that is happening in the nation. So if you invest your money, you are protecting the purchasing power of your money. For example, let's say you have $100 and you put it in your piggy bank, for example. In Nigeria, we call it saving kolo. So let's say you put it in your piggy bank and you have another $100 that you invest in an endeavor that gives you, let's say, 10 or 12% yearly. In 1 year, the money in your piggy vest will still be $100. But in 1 year, the money in the investment will be $110. So you've made an extra $10. So the things that you could buy with $100 a year ago, maybe a year later, if the inflation rate is not moving as fast as it is moving in Nigeria right now, you'll be able to purchase that thing with, let's say, $110, because definitely inflation might have happened. So if you want to be able to buy that same thing, you can buy it because your money is enough. But with the money in your piggy vest, you would not be able to purchase that thing. Why? Because the price has increased and your money did not increase. So we work to increase the value of our money so that we'll be able to purchase things again in the future. So we'll be able to buy the things that we were once able to buy with a specific amount. So now we have more money to buy that particular thing. So that is how we protect the purchasing power of our money. The second reason why we invest is to grow wealth. So in order for us to grow wealth, we need to let our money work for us, because if we are the only ones doing the work, there is a limit to what we can do. There is a limit to how many services we can offer. But you see, because of course we are humans and the body breaks down and the body gets tired and it needs rest. But your money will never be tired. Your money would not need rest. Your money would not fall sick. Your money would be in the market doing all the work for you while you are working here to make more, to put into the market to work more for you. So it is easier to grow wealth while investing. So those are two reasons why we invest our money. Now, the next thing we'll look at is what to look out for before investing. Before investing into any endeavor, there are some things that you need to watch out for, my darling. The difference between a successful investor and an unsuccessful investor is their area of focus. Successful investors focus on the risks. But unsuccessful investors focus on the return. Unsuccessful investors, the only thing that is in their mind is the money that they will make. But you see, successful investors, they always calculate, will I lose my money in this endeavor? Because instead of you throwing your money into a very, very risky investment, it's better to keep that money than to lose it. If you keep the money, there will be other opportunities for you to invest it in than for you to lose it. It's not as if investors don't take risks. They take risks, but calculated risks. So we calculate the risks before we put our money into any endeavor. So you would check, what will there be any loss in this investment opportunity? What could lead to the loss in this investment opportunity? And if there is a loss, how big will the loss be? So always be intentional. Excuse me. So always be intentional to do your research on these things, to know, will I lose my money? To know, if I lose my money, how will it affect me as an individual? How will it affect my resources? What could happen in this business that will lead to loss? I think one very popular business that a lot of people have lost money, or they call it investment, that a lot of people have lost money in Nigeria, is all this investment scheme that they will tell you, we will trade for you, we will do this for you, we'll be giving you 30% monthly. 30% monthly. No safe investment can even give you 10% monthly. Safe, emphasis on safe investment, will give you even 10% monthly. It is very, very unrealistic. So when they pay the people once, pay them twice. 3 months later, they will start telling them that we want to upgrade our site. And we are redesigning the site. We are updating the site. After updating the site, you will not hear from them again. That's how they will take everybody's money and off they go. They will run away. And they will come back again after some months with another one. And people will also put their money in. And I'm wondering why. Mostly it is because they don't have sound investment knowledge. And that's why this video is important now. Stop falling into these cheap scams. You can literally invest your money yourself. You can invest your money for yourself. Investment these days is not as difficult as it used to be. Anybody, you don't need a degree to be able to invest your money for yourself. You can buy stocks on your own. You can invest in mutual funds on your own. You can invest in the money market on your own. You don't need, you can invest in real estate on your own. Which investment do you want to do that you cannot do on your own? So don't let anybody, deceive you into putting your money in any of all these. We'll give you this monthly, we'll give you that monthly. When you're not understanding what they are doing. There are some people that actually pay you monthly based on your investment with them. But you need to understand what they are doing with your money. So aside focusing on the risks, also do your research to understand what they intend to do with your money that would give them the money that they want to pay you back. Because if there is nothing tangible that they are doing with the money, how will they be consistent with paying you back? Because whatever resources or whatever endeavor rather that they are putting your resources into to help them make money, they too have to be making money before they can pay you back. So it has to make sense what they want to put the money into that they will be paying you from, and how consistent will that payment be. Do you understand? Maybe in your mind now you'll be saying this thing is paying Gloria. Yes. Falling into the hands of these cheap scammers is maybe because I have lost my money to things like this severally. Not only did I lose my money, I lost the money of people that are close to me because I saw it as an opportunity to introduce people around me to, because I'm not a girl that likes to gatekeep there. I like sharing information that will benefit all of us. So when I say like, hey girl, come and see, my guy, come and see, oh, something is happening here that we can make money from, and film, they will take everybody's money and run away. And it affects me because it will affect my credibility in the eyes of those people. So since then, that is why I became passionate about financial literacy, about understanding how to invest, about personal finance, so I'll be able to manage my investment myself. So if you see me carry personal finance management on my head, it is because my eyes have seen shege banza, in fact, in the hands of all these invest for me people. So I've been investing for myself, and I've been teaching other people how they can invest for themselves, and we have been happy. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. So let's go forward. So always make sure you check the risk. Check the risk. Don't focus only on the return. And understand what they are putting your money into. That, okay, I'm investing in this. Understand what you're investing into, to make sure that the return will be consistent. Okay, so also know this very, very important information. The potential of a higher return comes at the expense of more risks, which means the higher the return, the higher the risks. There are investments like cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency is just simply buying and holding or staking. You understand? So when you buy and hold a particular cryptocurrency, to be honest with you guys, crypto return can be crazy. You can sleep with $100 and wake up with $1,000 in your crypto portfolio, but it is also very risky. So the risk is high. That is how the reward is high. So talking about risks and reward and how we can handle our risks, in my next video, I will be talking about risk tolerance. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we'll talk about risk tolerance and how we will know our own risk tolerance. Then I will tell us how we can invest after we have understood our individual risk tolerance, because your risk tolerance as an individual will determine the kind of investments that you can do. So in my next video, I'll be talking about risk tolerance. I would also be telling us different investment opportunity for different risk level. So high risk, I'll be giving you guys investment opportunity for high risk. Low risk, I'll be giving you guys investment opportunity for low risk. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and leave a comment down below. I'm your girl, Gloria Anthony. God bless you. Bye guys.